What's going on, everybody? We're back over here on the truck, and we're doing a little bit of a couple of upgrades. Check this out. All right, so first of all, what we got is a 4-inch intake to the stock throttle body, which is like 80 something. I forgot millimeters. It's big enough. I actually talked to my tuner, and he said there's no need to upgrade to the bigger 102 millimeters throttle body. That's more than enough to get a decent amount of horsepower. And unless I'm pretty much gonna go with like turbo or any type of boost, I don't need a bigger throttle body. This should be enough. I actually I went ahead and cut a bigger hole. Matter of fact, I cut a hole in my apron to go all the way through to the exterior, because last time that I went and got my so last time my tuner came through and we went ahead and did the street tune on this. We had a major problem. The engine was pulling timing because the intake was sucking in a lot of hot air. The piping that was right here, obviously, I mean, it was, right by the header. And I mean, although I did wrap it, didn't really do much. So I went ahead and I got myself the LS7 mass air sensor, which the guy that I actually got to weld this, he kind of fucked it all up, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually kind of worried that that's even going to seal, but we're gonna test it out. Hopefully it works. I'm not gonna let my tuner go until we get this situated. We're gonna go and do a drivability test and see how it responds, and then probably do a quick little dig run. Hopefully everything goes well. But other than that, I also went ahead and got myself some must needed injectors. This is one thing that my tuner did say last time that we tuned it. He said the ones that we have in there are completely maxed out and the engine is begging for some more. So he said that this is plenty for NA. So hopefully we don't need any more right now. Hopefully this is good enough for what I have for the setup. And hopefully, man, by the time that I do throw the flex fuel, I know I'm gonna need another fuel pump, and by that time, I hope that I have some kind of a boost, whether it's the LSA that I want to get, or maybe a turbo kit. But yeah, before, I don't know, it's so much shit that I need to do. I do want to. I do need to prioritize getting a transmission, but I don't know. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but I know I'm gonna need one. I know I'm gonna need a transmission, but I do want to throw boost on this bitch, and I don't know. Hopefully it works. But anyways, I don't know if I might throw it in this video. I think I am. I'm gonna finish getting this installed, and I might do a ride along with the tuner and see what's up. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed it, but I did mess up. I actually bought these injectors for a LS3, but I am running a LS3 intake. But this is the LQ whatever. This is the truck LS3 intake, and yeah, these injectors are too short, so I had to go and buy myself, the spacers, the caps, the top hats for the injectors, so I can put them on. I did try to install them already, and I did notice that there's a little bit of spacing here, and this is actually why I started recording this time around. But I did get with the kit. This is the ICT kit, by the way. I did get these spacers. I only got 4, so I'm guessing that these spacers are for the for the bolts. So I'm gonna put them on right there. And if you guys want to know what kit I got, this is the one. So this is supposed to be the LS3. This is supposed to be for the LS3 injectors to truck intake. All right, y'all. So they're on, but that's the gap that I'm telling you guys about. And I don't know. I'm gonna try and install this one, although this space right here seems a little bit bigger than that. I'm bigger than that gap, but let me throw it on there and then I'll just let you know right quick. Okay, so I threw this one on and that one slid in like a glove. And actually this side pretty much the same. I did throw the ones on the driver's side on, and I did feel like it lifted the rail ever so slightly, not a crazy amount, but it a little bit. And I mean now I'm just throwing in the new hardware that it came with, which is also a 8mm head. So I'm just gonna send it. So yeah, so I'm gonna pause right here and hopefully I'll come back on the video when the tuner is here. Got some fine tuning to go. We actually just spoke and he was telling me that he's got some more clients to do a tune in dyno. So this is gonna be a street tune, but I think we were about to go to the dyno. Okay, so I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna stop this video right now because it's gonna be extremely long. I think it's already long now by this point. But yeah, like I said, the tuner, he told me about, I guess a shop where he goes and gets the dyno tunes, and that's where I'm gonna go. So yeah, that's actually today. Today I'm closing off the video, the day of the dyno tune. So I'm gonna wash my truck real quick, and then I'm gonna start heading out over to the shop so we can do the dyno tune on the truck. So yeah, I'm gonna close off this video, and you guys are gonna have to tune on the next one so we can see what the numbers are. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared because I saw a guy online talking about he had a similar setup, and this motherfucker only made like 400 horsepower. I'm hoping to get somewhere around 6. And if I don't get that shit, I'm gonna be a little pissed because I put a lot of money into this shit. I know that I know when I throw the supercharger or the or turbo kit on this, it's gonna be a complete game changer. Yeah, I know that's gonna give me everything that I need. But at the moment, I know transmission's not gonna hold. I mean, at this point, I don't know whether to go with a transmission or with or just wait to blow it up. Knock on wood. Message. I hope this thing does. I hope this thing does good at the dyno. So, but yeah, that's one of the things that I'm gonna do next. But for now, I just kind of want to get the tuner to get it drivable, have good drivability, and so I can do some dig runs if I have to. I mean, because right now the tune is not perfect, and I can't even dig on this truck. So yeah, I just want to see this truck do a little bit better. So yeah. Anyway, so see you guys on the next one. Next video coming up, dyno tune. So stay tuned.